ituloy ko lang yung tinatanong ko kanina dahil may nabanggit kayo ng presumption of misappropriation. Tama ba? For personal use.
Based on the joint circular po, meron po.
Oo, tama. Pagkatapos nun, tinitingnan ko yung joint circular at maliwanag that the presumption for misappropriation arises against the accountable officer. Diba?
Yes.
Against the accountable officer. Sino ang accountable officer? Maliwanag naman yung joint circular. Sa 3.1, sabi yung officer whose duties permit or require possession of government funds. Hindi ba?
Based on the joint circular po, may ganyang provision.
Oo. So yung SDO talaga, yung Special Disbursing Officer has the possession, the custody. Tama yun, di ba?
Yes po.
So, ang tanong dito, sino ang accountable officer dito sa sitwasyon na to? Kasi ang liwaliwanag na hindi naman si Vice President ang payee. Hindi naman sinasabi na nasa kanya yung pera. Ang liwanag sa inyong joint circular that the Special Disbursing Officer is the one who was designated by the head of agency to have custody, di ba? And in the case of the OVP, si Acosta yon. In the case of DepEd, hindi ba si Fajarda yon?
That is not entirely correct po, Your Honor. Because under the joint circular, it shall be the responsibility of the head of the agency first to approve yung cash advance. Pangalawa, to oversee yung agency-wide utilization. Pangatlo, to ensure compliance with the joint circular. And also po, inattest din po ni OBP yung
unresponsive po. Ang tinatanong ko lang, hindi ba yung designated, yung SDO, si Fajardo, si Acosta, hindi si VP, hindi siya yung payee eh. Ang liwaliwanag.
Pero ang sinabi niyo po kanina yung accountable officer.
Kaya nga, so yung accountable officer, yung SDO, nasa JC.
Hindi lang po
eh.
si SDO po yung accountable officer,
or,
Your Honor.
ang sabi doon, head of agency or person designated. Oo, ang liwanag sa definition ng joint circular.
Napagsabihan naman si Attorney Wamil ng Senate Impeachment Court na huwag magipagtalo sa isang Senator Judge. Ipinunto naman ni Senator Judge Marcos ang anyay pabago-bagong statements ni Wamil.
Mag-yes or no ka lang, kanina ka pa, inaaway mo ko lagi.
Sorry po, Your Honor. But hindi po ako pwedeng mag-answer categorically since yun nga po yung provision.
But it's categorical.
Na yes or
Why don't
either
you go
yes
back
or
to your
either
joint
no po.
circular?
Yeah po. Kapag sinabi po kasi
Doon
categorical,
sa
it's either yes
definition,
po.
ang liwaliwanag, SDO kapag na-designate head of office, di ba?
But hindi po kasi doon na nalilimit lang yung term na accountable officer kasi may other provisions na applicable pa din po with respect to the term accountable officer.
Asan? Kasi napakaliwanag doon sa definitions, napakaliwanag sa 8.3 ng joint circular.
Yun nga po yung na-mention ko kanina.
Interpretation na ninyo yun, pinapalawak ninyo andun eh. Head of office,
hindi
head
po
of agency, or designated.
Hindi po, Your Honor. Kasi yun nga po, nakalagay po doon sa...
Sabi mo kanina yes, ngayon no naman.
Wala po akong sinabing yes po,
O
Your
sinabi
Honor.
mo kanina oo, SDO nga in charge.
Sinabi ko lang po kung ano yung... Kinonfirm ko lang po kung ano yung SDO po, Your Honor.
Attorney Wamil, kindly avoid arguing with
I
Senator
apologize
Judge.
po, Your Honor. Pag
Alam ko
merong-
kung ano ang SARO, matagal na, tumanda na po kami sa
Yes po.
gobyerno.
Pero hindi po kasi yan niliquidate sa ICPAO, so we wouldn't know if it was
Hindi,
used or
pero
not.
ang klaro, may katibayan na hindi ka isa-isang VP, si VP Sara.
Your Honor, since hindi po nagsabit ng liquidation,
Teka.
hindi rin po...
Teka, nandun ka na sa ICBAO noong 2014, sabi mo, di ba?
Yes po.
O kaya nga,
Opo.
o di kahit si VP Binay may confidential funds, the only VP audited was VP Sara. Ganun ba yun?
Since si VP Sara lang po yung nagsubmit ng liquidation. Pero
Ba't
if,
hindi mo alam?
if I may clarify po.
Ba't hindi mo alam? Nandun ka na noong 2014. Dapat alam mo yun eh.
If I may clarify po, Your Honor. Since wala pong budget dun sa GAA as to confidential fund at hindi naman po nag-liquidate si BPB9 nung kanilang confidential fund. So hindi pa namin alam kung ginamit at hindi na po nakarating sa
Hindi, ang
yung
tanong,
SARO po.
nabigyan ng confidential funds, humingi at nabigyan. May SARO eh.
We wouldn't know
Yun
if
lang
it is
naman ang
useful.
tanong eh. Of course, you know, may sarong. Sinabi mo nga, totoo yung sarong yun. Anyway, alin ang totoo? Si VP Binay o si VP Sara? Talaga bang totoo yung dalawa o iisa lang? We don't know.
Based on our records po, si VP Sara lang po yung may liquidation.
So maraming we don't know ang COA? Ganun ba yun?
While the CGGPA and HOR COJ hearings were made public, we do not dispute that, Your Honor. The matters discussed within them, which were documented via the TSNs, video recordings, and committee reports, are not facts automatically admissible in this impeachment trial. Rather, they remain assertions that must be proven by evidence. The impeachment court cannot just take the utterances, testimonies, the questions and answers, and the interpellations during the COJ and the CGGPA hearings as factual findings and statements of truth without going through the usual route of evidence presentation. The motion is actually akin to a public prosecutor, the House of Representatives, asking the criminal court, here the impeachment court, to take judicial notice of the complaint was filed before the fiscal, here the HORCOJ, and all matters related thereto, including those that transpired during the preliminary investigation without the need for presenting witnesses in court. That is actually what the prosecution is doing in our view, Your Honor.